If you're tired of buffering and slow streams, today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can supercharge Nuvio by integrating Real-Debrid. And quick reminder, this video is strictly for educational and informational purposes only, and you are responsible for the media you access. But first thing, to kick things off, we're going to actually go to Real-Debrid. We're going to go under My Devices, and then right here, our API token. This is going to be the backbone of our setup. So we're going to get our API token, copy it, and before connecting everything, protecting your connection is essential. So I suggest a VPN like IPVanish, and you can get an exclusive discount in the description. Now, once we have that set up, we're going to actually go to our configuration page, and then right here under provider, we're going to actually select Real-Debrid, and then we're going to paste our private API key that we had copied earlier. Now, to keep the channel completely compliant with YouTube's guidelines, I will have the full technical Debrid configuration guide in our community Discord. So once you get that, you'll be able to go ahead and copy it. Now, if you have Streamio, then you could go ahead and hit install while you're on this page. But for us, we're going to Nuvio. Now, once we're in Nuvio, this is exactly what the website will look like. Now, of course, if you haven't seen the video on this, I have a video on what Nuvio actually is, but I'm going to actually show you guys how you can add your add-ons or even customize some of the settings on your specific profile. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our account, and then on the left side, we're going to have add-ons. So by default, it's going to have just 2 add-ons, which are the default add-ons. And then we're going to actually add to this. So what we're going to do right here is we're going to click on add add-on. And then this is where we're going to copy, or this is where we're actually going to paste the link that we copied earlier. So we're going to paste that same exact link that we copied from our configuration page. And then once we do that, all we have to do now is just name it. So you can name it anything that you want. In this case, I'm just going to name it Tech Hub. All right. So once you do that, you can just hit save. And then that is the final step. That is how you add your own add-ons to your Nuvio profile. And because it has cloud syncing, it will sync across all of your devices with the same exact app and same profile. So once we have that, let's go back to our app. And then once we get to our app, we're going to make sure our VPN is running so that our connection is secured. And of course, once we do that, we're going to open up our Nuvio app. And then let's go to our settings just to confirm that all of our add-ons did sync up through the cloud. So as you can see, I now have 3 add-ons. So now I'm going to go ahead and search up a public domain movie like Night of the Living Dead, because this is for educational purposes only, just to show how my add-on works. And just to show you, this is a Real-Debrid working, and then it works with instant playback. So if this video helped you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. But that's it for this one. Peace.